Choosing the wrong AI video tool is not a small mistake. It is a subscription your team stops opening, a launch that slips 2 weeks, and a library of avatar videos nobody on the product side actually wants to ship. I have watched marketing teams burn through thousands of dollars on seats, credits, and re-records before realizing the tool was never built for what they actually make. So let's do this honestly. Ngram versus Synthesia in 2026. No winner-takes-all nonsense. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one belongs on your stack. Start with what each tool is actually built for, because this is where most buyers get it wrong. Synthesia is an AI avatar platform. You type a script, a photorealistic presenter reads it, and you get a talking head video in almost any language. It is decent at that one job. Ngram is different. Ngram is built for product and marketing teams who need to turn docs, URLs, screen recordings, and rough footage into polished, on-brand videos. Avatars are not the point. The story, the demo, and the walkthrough are. Now pricing, as of 2026. Ngram provides 600 free starter credits out of the gate. Synthesia starts free, then moves to Starter at $29 a month, Creator at $89, and Custom Enterprise pricing. Ngram's paid plans begin at $23.20 a month on Basic, $47.20 on Premium, $239.20 on Ultimate with Custom Enterprise. Entry price is close. What you get for it is not. Ease of use. Synthesia is straightforward if your workflow is script in, avatar out. Pick a presenter, paste text, render. Ngram works differently. You describe what you need, drop in a doc, a URL, a screen recording, some images, and it handles research, storyboarding, scripting, and voiceover. You see the script and storyboard before anything renders, then refine in plain language. Say, shorten scene 2, and it shortens scene 2. No timelines, no rebuilds. Avatar quality. The avatars are polished, expressive, and available in more than 140 languages. But it starts from a script you write yourself. No AI script generation, no document-to-video workflow, no agentic mode. You bring the words, Synthesia brings the avatar. Ngram is built for a completely different buyer. Product marketers, SaaS founders, growth teams. You start from whatever you already have, a URL, a PDF, a screen recording, or just a plain description. Ngram writes the script, builds the storyboard, applies your brand kit from your website URL automatically, and generates the video. For product demos specifically, Ngram adds cursor smoothing, click emphasis, dead air trimming, and smart zooms automatically, turning a rough screen recording into a polished walkthrough in minutes. Screen recording. Synthesia is not really built for this. You can embed clips, but the tool assumes an avatar is doing the talking. Ngram turns raw screen recordings into polished walkthroughs automatically. Dead air and mistakes are cut. Clicks get smart zoom. The cursor is emphasized. Callouts and step labels appear without touching a timeline. For product demos, this is a different category of output. Script generation. Both tools will write for you. Synthesia writes to be read by an avatar. Ngram writes to fit an actual video, adapting structure, length, pacing, and tone to the audience, the goal, and the destination you specify. It is not a template. It is a plan for the specific video you are making. Brand kit. Synthesia lets you lock in colors, fonts, and logos for its avatar scenes. Ngram sets your brand kit once: logo, colors, fonts, intro, outro, and applies it across every format: 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, exported from a single project. Consistency across the whole team without a designer in the loop. Best use cases: the honest version. Choose Synthesia if you run enterprise training or compliance that needs consistent avatar presenters at scale. Choose ngram if your job is product marketing, demo videos, launch content, or any workflow that starts from documents, URLs, or screen recordings, not a blank script, and it is already trusted by teams at HubSpot, Zapier, Deal, and Rocket Mortgage. If you're a SaaS founder, product marketer, or growth team creating product demos, explainer videos, launch content, or marketing videos, ngram is the right tool. It starts from what you already have, writes the script for you, and gets you to a finished video in minutes, not days. Try ngram for free. Link is in the description below. If this comparison saved you time and money, hit subscribe.